There are a lot of quotes and sayings on nature. In this video we explore some of the most beautiful quotes on the beauty of nature. Nature is the ultimate source of inspiration for humans. Here, we present you some of the most inspiring quotes on nature. Looking at beauty in the world is the first step of purifying the mind. Giddy grasshopper, take care, do not leap and crush these pearls of dewdrop. I'd rather be on the ground than under, to feel the heavy rain and the thunder. The rain believes the earth exists just to give it something to fall against. Nature, complete with vibrant colors and magnificent light shows, is free for all. The only price of admission is to pay attention. A close and connected observation of nature reveals something more like a Celtic knot, a form without end or beginning. Not a system, but a synthesis. On the one hand, nature enriches our soul with its eternal beauty. On the other hand, it enriches our survival skills with its endless disasters. There is no natural paradise on earth that is unspoiled after it has been discovered. There is only one way a natural paradise can stay natural: to be undiscovered. If you do not have a mind to perceive the mystical beauty of nature, and do not have a soul to live its spiritual atmosphere, you will never understand what a fantastic place we live in. In nature, every distraction is an inspiration. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.